Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Important Chart Spreads on Tuesday the 19th of Jan with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's move on to dollar yen, and again another chart which has bounced off a really key level. This is three charts I've talked about today: FTSE, sterling, and also this dollar yen chart. 1646, 2 days in a row we've seen that forming the basis of support and bounced. Interesting. We've also seen an improvement in the RSI. That's theoretically a buy signal, isn't it, on the RSI, crossing back above 30. MACD line's just beginning to bottom out. Stochastics slightly improving. But is this sort of a building process, a base building process? Well, there is more that needs to be done. There's overhead resistance that comes in with the 23.6% fib retracement, 1854. That's on the daily chart. But the hourly chart shows it in more detail because you've got all this consistent run of lower highs in this chart. 1835 is that reaction high that we saw from last week. That is your initial resistance, but 1875 is the pivot level from early Jan as well. So 1875 is the big overhead resistance, 1835 last week's resistance. It's just sort of rolled over a little bit at 18 figure as we speak. So yeah, it's you need to see this continue. You need to see the RSI pulling above 70, holding. MACD lines look good though, don't they? And the stochastics look pretty good as well for this recovery. So it's interesting that we're trading above all the moving averages on the hourly chart as well. So there is a decent move that we've seen today. However, it does need to continue, and that's 118.35 level is the key level, I think, near term. Certainly for today, there's a big overhead resistance from last week, needs to be taken out. But in the meantime, you've got support that comes in at 17 figure, which was a reaction low from yesterday afternoon, or yesterday morning, sorry, and obviously 1646, which is that big sort of low that we saw from August. So a few levels to work with here, but are we seeing the beginnings of a dollar yen recovery? Well, it's possible, but still more to be done. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.